So we are at the end of our introduction to JavaScript video series. We looked at what is JavaScript, why JavaScript is so popular, what are the various libraries uh, that JavaScript offers that makes the development super quick and helps you to build pretty much anything. We also went over some basic JavaScript coding fundamentals like going over comments, variables, constants, conditions, loops, data structures, arrays, and functions. And so by now, you are very in a solid position, I would say, to do the basic JavaScript coding. And so here is a fun coding challenge for you. Can you create a function that checks if a continent name exists? That is, if you pass a valid continent name, it returns true. Else, if the continent name doesn't match, it returns a false. Now, in this example, we can see that if our function name is continent exist and we pass Asia as our continent name, the expected output is to return true. And similarly, if we call our function is continent exist but with a different continent name, Pogo, our function should return back a false. So in this example, you would be creating a function and you would be using most of the topics that we just discussed. And so if you are able to code this function, I think you are in a very good state. So all the best.